Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your how to reset your oil maintenance light or maintenance required light on a 2018 Toyota Camry. Alright, so what you want to do is turn the engine on. You have to crank the car for this one. If you don't crank the car, it's just gonna say car not ready to drive, and you can't clear that off, so you need the car to stay on. So these are the keys you want to use to navigate through the system. So I'm going to press the arrow key to the right to go over to the gear, which is going to be the setting of the vehicle, where you can go through this menu right here. So now you want to go down to vehicle settings. Alright, I don't know if you can see that. You want to go down to vehicle setting, and when you go to vehicle setting, you want to press OK. Then you're gonna have that right there. And you want to go down to schedule maintenance. Then say push OK to reset. And go ahead and push it, and then reset data. You want to go and press up. Right here, you want to press up right there. It goes up there, and then you want to press yes. Alright, and it complete like that. Alright. And that's it, and then all you have to do is press the back key to go back to this menu right here. Then you go back to your original screen where you use it. Alright, and that's it guys. Thank you. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Help me help you.